Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your babe Asangwa baby. Asangwa baby. Hello, welcome on board. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I achieved this hairstyle using water wave passion twist, in 18 inches. Okay, so if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, stay tuned to watch the video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and turn on your notification to be notified whenever I uploaded a new video, and follow me on all social media and comment on the info section if there is any video you would like me to do. Let's jump into the video. Hey! Welcome on board. Today I'm going to do fashion twist on my hair. These are the tools that I'll be using for the hair. I'll be using this rectal comb and the comb, a jam for twist, and a clip. I'll be doing a rubber band hair method. So this is the rubber band I'm going to use here. So I'm going to infuse it in the oil so it doesn't dry my hair out. So I'm going to use my DIY hair oil. My hair is already moisturized and prepare it for the fashion twist. So I'll be working with my mirror here. I'm going to start from the back because I like starting my hair from the back. So guys, I'll be using a passion twist. I got this passion twist from Amazon, and it comes in a clear bag and it's like this. Yeah, they give you this crochet needle and hair accessories as a gift. I have this passion twist in 8 packs in color 1B, and it's 18 inches. I'm going to unravel the hair because it's all like this, so I'm going to unravel all of them. You just separate by itself. Then I'm going to double them too for my hair. And be careful while doing this because it kind of freaks so quickly. I have already unraveled all my hair. I want it to look like this, but it will be easy for me to hold because my hair is so short. So I'm going to pack my hair to keep, because I want to start from the back. So guys, make sure the hair is slick. In that case, it's going to blend into the hair. So this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to braid, then I will twist. So it's two parts, so I'll use one for the third part. So yeah, I'll hold this one, take one of these, yeah, like my third braid, then I'm going to braid. Then I'm going to twist. I'll use clip to hold the hair. Then I'll twist. Don't worry, if the hair just got tangled, it's alright. You can still separate it and go ahead with your twist. So this is it. So I'm going to twist all the way down. So guys, this is my first time doing this passion twist. So if you need to borrow hair from the other side, you can feel free to borrow hair from the other side. So look at how I'm working with, like, so I'm going to borrow hair from here. Then I'll twist. This hair is so long. I can't believe how 18 inches, how long it is, because like I was hoping like it's going to be like transparent. I didn't know it's going to be like almost waist length. So had it been I picked the one of 20 inches, it's going to be so long. And don't be like afraid, like when you're twisting, when you look at it, it's so like sleek, so like tiny. Don't worry, when you leave it, it's going to bounce back. So at the end, you just store it. Yeah, store it on your finger. Then I'm going to use scissors to cut this. Then I will store it again. Yeah. That is it. So like as time goes on, it's going to get more fuller again. Yeah, I'm going to demonstrate another one now. I'm going to use my Jam Extra Hot to Sleek. Making it sleek, make it so easy to blend with the passion twist, especially like if you have like a natural hair. But the most important is the end, so make sure the end is sleek. So then I'm going to braid again. Yeah, one, hold this. So guys, this hairstyle is so easy, especially for beginner. If you don't even know how to twist, using a passion twist is going to make things more easy for you. So because you're not doing much, anyhow, the hair will still come out looking good. That's one thing with a passion twist, because the hair is already twisted for you. Yes. See how sleek it is, like how tiny it is, but immediately I leave it, it's going to bounce back and look full. So far I have used 3 packets. So guys, I don't like this jam. Yeah, I don't like the way it slick my hair. It doesn't slick my hair very well. It just leave it puffy. So at the moment, I'm using the shine and jam. So guys, I have to alternate some of them. Some of them I use double, some of them I use triple, depending on the side, okay? So that's the last one. I'm going to use Edge Control with Argan Oil by Cream of Nation to lay down my edges. So guys, I ended up using this shine and jam to slick my hair because it kind of hold my hair very well to compare this one using. Yeah. So guys, this is the final look here. I'm going to use this Smooth by Cream of Nation to smooth any fly away. Yeah. So I'm going to put some few accessories on the hair. So altogether, I put 5 accessories on the hair. So this is the hair. Yeah, this is how the front is. So the hair is so full. So guys, this is Fashion Twist Water Wave 18 inches. So I got this hair from Amazon and it comes in 8 parts. and inside one pack you get 18 strands of hair. So I use 7 and a little bit, and some of the hair I use like double, and some parts I use like triple. Like in front of my hair I only use double, and at the back of my hair as well. This is how long the hair is. If I should bring it in front, this is how it looks like. So guys, I'll put all the information on the info section, so don't forget to check the info section, and I'll put the link as well in case if you want to check the hair out. Okay guys, yeah. So guys, this is it for this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's free of charge. You don't pay any money for subscribing, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment on the info section if there is any video you would like me to do. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I uploaded a new video, and follow me on all social media. All right guys, yay! I'm so proud of myself. I am. So yeah. See you on my next video. It's your babe, Asangma baby. Bye guys. Peace and love.